Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing assets and enabling generative tools. Do this now. Open Preferences and turn on Generative Fill, Speech-to-Text, and Auto Reframe so Premiere can access models. Import your script, reference clips, and 1/2 proxies to speed previews. Make sure the sequence is set to 16:9 and the target frame rate. Once done, create a new bin for AI outputs and label it. Then, select the clip you want to enhance and open the Generative Workspace to start the first transformation. Now you apply the core generative operations. Start with Generative Fill to replace or extend backgrounds. Paint a mask on the area, prompt the look, and let it render. This avoids manual rotoscoping. Next, run speech-to-text and generate captions so you can search and edit dialogue. Make sure to correct speaker labels and misheard words. Then use AI color match to unify shots and upscaling or frame interpolation if needed. Preview all changes in proxy playback so you can iterate quickly without waiting for full renders. Finish by rendering and exporting your generative edits correctly. Set render quality to maximum bit depth, choose hardware encoding, and export a master file plus delivery variants. Include burn-in captions only when required. Before final export, scrub the timeline at full resolution to spot artifacts or sync drift. If you see glitches, clear media cache, rerun the problematic generative effect at full resolution, or reduce the effect strength and composite with the original to blend. This usually resolves common AI artifacts and timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.